welcome to Jessi FIT Pilates, your home to strengthen, stretch, and smile, babes. Hey, kitty girl, let me ask you something. Do you need to get your fit together? I mean, seriously, does any of this sound like you? You're commuting too much, you don't know what to do, you don't like commuting to the gym, you can't sign up for your class pass, you're feeling like your clothes don't fit, you're feeling lethargic, you've been sitting so much working, and your back's been hurting. Well, listen, kitty girl, I've got one solution for you. Welcome to my Get Your Fit Together mini challenge. I am going to teach you how to work out from home and maximize your time and space without having to spend hundreds of dollars a month on equipment or gym fees or class pass or even any of your time commuting to those places if you can afford it. All you're gonna need for my 5-day mini challenge is yourself. Mats are nice. I have 2 lined up here, a set of weights and a band. For today's workout, you'll only need a mat and it's all laying down. All you need today is a mat. Listen, if you don't have a mat, lay a towel down on the floor. If you have carpeting in your house, that'll be fine. Let's go ahead and start with some Pilates today, kitty girls and guys. So let's go ahead and just lay onto our backs. This workout is just gonna be about 10 minutes. And first thing we're gonna do is just flatten and arch our spine a few times and come into what's called neutral spine. If you're new to Pilates or mind-body movement, that might feel a little foreign. And what it is when you flatten, you're tucking and then arching that big space, you're gonna come to that natural space. Once you've got that natural space there, you're gonna try to hold it by really sucking your abs in. Reach your hands by the nape of your neck, and let's start some crunches. I'm lifting my head up. I'm gonna pretend there's like an orange there, so that little space, I'm not just craning my neck like that. I'm lifting from my abs. I'm keeping my tailbone down. Now let's breathe. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right? Breathe. Now, to make this a little harder, remember, you want to stay in that neutral spine. We're going to lift both legs up. Of course, keep your feet down. And now I'm in what's called table position. And notice that my legs are staying really still, right? Curl. Now, release your head down. Reach the hands up. You're going to lift your shoulder blades up and down. Remember, the shoulder blades are back here. Take your hands to your sides, keep that neutral spine, and start to pump your arms up and down. This is the Pilates 100, and I'm really sucking my belly in. Now to make this harder, you can lift up your head, breathe in, and breathe out. Now on your next exhale, stretch one leg, bend, then exhale, stretch the other leg. Inhale, bend it, exhale, inhale, right, I'm losing my little. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, remember you can always lower your head. Awesome. So we did 10 breaths, 5 pumps in, 5 pumps out. That's why it's called 100. And now I'm gonna have you flatten your back and come up into a bridge, right? Really lifting up. I'm gonna squeeze my shoulder blades together and I'm gonna roll down. And rolling up through the spine and rolling down through the spine. And tuck, lift, slowly lower, right? Back to that neutral spine before I lift up again. Now hold it there. See if you can lift your heels, lower, lift, lower. Now none of the weight is on my neck. It's all really in my thighs and in my rib cage, right? Lift and lower, lift and lower. Now hold it up. We're gonna pulse the hips up, up. Very showgirls, up, up. If you're too young to know what that movie is, sorry. You should Google it. It's hilarious. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly roll your spine on down. Let's just go ahead and take your arms up, circle it around, reach them to your thighs. Now, I'm gonna have us sit all the way up here. And I'm gonna lift my spine really, really tall. And I'm gonna slowly roll back And I'm gonna just hold it there. So I'm in this half roll down position, raise a leg, and then raise the other leg. Lift, 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 lift. Now lift it and little pulses up here. Lift, 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 lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down, and then other one. Up, 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 up. Now keep that leg position. Stretch one leg long, lay down. Then switch, switch. Now I'm gonna flatten my back a little bit. Right, so I'm not really in that neutral. If your head hurts, take that down. That's 5 and 4. Notice I'm not twisting here. And 3 and 2 and 1 and release. Let's take the hands behind the nape of the neck for support now. Let's curl the head back up. I'm keeping a flat back now. And now go back to that move. But now twist to one side, the other. Twist, 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 twist. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. From there, I'm going to have us bring our heels together and our toes apart. Let's go back to that like kind of flat back because we're going to reach the legs out long, and I want you to really hug your abs in. If you go to neutral, I feel like a lot of people tend to really arch on some of these exercises. Today, let's go with that flat back. My feet are in what's called froggy or first position or Pilates stance, heels together, toes apart. Now keep your head up and do that. Abs in, right? Squeeze the thighs together as you stretch. Right, notice I'm not crunching. Give me 6 more. Reach and bend and reach and bend. 4, breathe. Exhale, inhale, 2, and 1. Take the legs up now. Stretch one leg, then the other. Stretch, stretch. You can lift your head up here, flat back, just a few more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Release your head down. Let's go ahead and sit back up. Take a quick stretch. So flex your toes, reach your hands forward. And then I'm gonna have us cross at our ankles and come onto our hands. And since we've got the cat ears on, round cat, cow, right, rounding and arch the spine. Now, pull the shoulder blades together into their sockets, open up wide through the chest, draw your belly in. Can you take one leg back and then the other into a plank? Hold it there. Let's go ahead and slide back into a pike. And I'm gonna bring my toes up to the mat. Drop your heels down, so it looks like down dog in yoga, except my feet are parallel today. I'm not turning my big toes in and I'm opening my chest towards my thighs. Now rise up high onto your heels and roll your spine forward. And then reach the spine back, drop the heel. So you're like in a triangle here. And then in a straight plank. Pike. Now, can you give me a little push up? Lift, lower, push up, right? Pike, plank, push up. Hold it over here. Reach those hips high, high, high. Now I'm gonna bring my feet a little closer together. I'm gonna bend my knees like I want to tap them down, and then left, tap, left, tap, left. But I'm not actually tapping. Bending, stretching. Now hold it low, pause there. I'm even on all 10 toes. My chest is open, pulse down, 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 down. Give me 4, 3, 2, just hold for 10. Deep breaths. 3, 2, 1. Come all the way down onto your belly and just stretch up for a second. My toes are pointed down. I'm gonna reach my hands back here and just reach my arms up. Pause there and just lift. Now squeeze together as you lift. Squeeze, 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 hold it, pulse it up. Now I'm gonna take my palms to face the ceiling, up, up. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your hands underneath your shoulders, stretch up into a big cobra back bend. Now, really quick, lay onto your side, facing me. Lay all the way out long. Body's in a straight line. Bring your heels together and your toes apart. Raise your legs and lower. Lift. Lift. You can try to take the hand behind the nape of the neck. That's a little harder. Now hold it there. Pulse it up, 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 up. And then 4, 3, 2. Hold it for a second. Bend your bottom leg in and come up into this little step. Hip stretch. Take a big side stretch here. Reach your arms out. Can you lift that knee? Don't stick your hands down. And then maybe lift the leg. Lift, lift. Give me 5, 4. See the knees stay bent. 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to bring my legs over to the other side. And I'm going to lay all the way down. My bottom arm stays long. Top arm is balancing me. Draw your belly muscles in, draw your shoulders back. Heels together, toes apart. Let's lift and lower. Lift, lower the feet. Keep the heels together. Maybe you can take the hands behind the nape of the neck. As you can see, this is definitely my harder side. Lift, lift. Hold it out through in and squeeze. Pulse up, 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 up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and take the hand down, bend the bottom knee, quick stretch, and then let's go ahead and take the hands actually out and lift the knee, lower, lift, lift, and see if you can lift the whole leg, lift, 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 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the stretch. And that is it, guys. So this was day 1. You're on your path to putting yourself on a committed workout path. You're committing to your health every day. You're committing to spending time working on your body, which is the only body you get. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 2. This is Jessi FIT Pilates. The blog is here. Make sure you subscribe. This is all going to lead into the launch of my VIP membership plan where you'll never ever get bored of a workout. Thanks for tuning in. Jessi FIT Pilates. Congrats on doing it.